very good morning, treasurers. This is your host Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is all what you need to know before going into trade for 28th October 2020 in the international market. Ahead of US elections with increased volatility in equities market, investors are parking money in US government bonds. US 10-year closed 2 basis points down at 0.79 percentage points, and 30-year also closed 2 basis points down at 1.57 percentage points. Eurozone bond yields also dipped on Tuesday, with German yields hitting a one-week low as a continued rise in coronavirus cases and a lack of progress in US stimulus kept investors cautious before this week's ECB meeting. Germany's 10-year bond yields was down 4 basis points at 0.61 percentage points, almost near lifetime lowest levels. In the crude oil market, for the week ending October 23rd, the API, American Petroleum Institute, reported on Tuesday a bigger build than expected in crude oil inventories of 4.5 million barrels versus analyst expectation of inventory build of 1.1 million barrels. Even last week, the inventory buildup was large versus analyst expectation of a draw in crude oil inventory. Thus, with demand for oil is not picking up, and that's the exact reason for crude to trade at $40.26 per barrel. Short-term range for crude seems to be at $40 to $42. In the currency market, dollar index or DXY is at 93.12. DXY's range for today seems to be at 92.47 to 93.27. 93.30 level is going to be a good resistance level. USDINR yesterday with a high of 74.02 closed at 73.72. USDINR range for today seems to be 73.50 to 73.85. We need a sustained close above 74.10 to confirm a bullish breakout, otherwise 73.50 stands as a good support. In the domestic market, the yields on a 10-year benchmark 577 2030 bond has fallen by 6 basis points since Friday. Three main reasons for this enthusiasm. Number 1, minutes from the Monetary Policy Committee's meeting. Number 2, firm demand at the weekly debt auctions. And number 3, the announcement to conduct open market operations, which had strengthened the appetite for dated securities. Please note that PDs and public sector banks are net sellers since Friday once the yields were below 590 level and the selling was exaggerated at 580 levels. 27th October 2020 SDL Auction Analysis. Let's do that. Gujarat and Rajasthan 10-year cutoff came at 640. These cutoffs were as expected. We at Night Research now boldly advise our clients to sell SDLs at 640 levels, as according to our internal model 640 is a fair value and is unlikely to go way below unless the 10-year GSEC benchmark closes below 575, which seems unlikely for now. Trade of the quarter: sell your profitable SDL positions now and buy those same SDLs 3 months later after budget 2021 at 670 or above levels again. We at Night Research were too bullish on the SDL auction participation in the last 3 months. Now, we advise our clients to go slow in SDL auctions as there is not much juice left there. Once the market gives us the new opportunity, we will be at your service to make more risk-adjusted returns. Now, if you want to modernize your bank's treasury, make markets your friends and not an enemy, making your treasury a profit center in this tough operating environment becomes very critical. And for that, you can reach out to us on 9930307466 or research@nightfintech.com.